guys, in this video I am doing a fill-in on my mom's nails that I did before. I am just taking my Melanie Susie nail drill with a really coarse bit. Now I am not a professional, I did not go to school for this. I am just learning as I go and I'm watching YouTube videos. So just if I'm doing it wrong, it's because I'm still learning. So that's the only reason. I'm not perfect at it. This is only like maybe my 4th time doing her nails with with acrylic and everything. So I'm still a beginner, like a really a beginner at it. So just keep that in mind as you watch the video. Now I'm taking my Mia Secret clear acrylic as well as the monomer in the same brand, and I'm using the Models 1 dehydrator and primer for acrylic, and I'm just using that to fill in the gap between her cuticle and the nail bed. And I'm also using that just to fill in any spots around the edge of the nail that weren't the right shape that she wanted, which was a square shape. Everything that I'm using in this video I did get from Amazon, so I'll link everything that is in this video in the description box below. Now I'm just taking my drill again, and I'm using a coarse bit, and I'm just filing down and making it smooth and making it the right shape that she wants, and getting it ready for the gel polish. Now, for this part, I only did paint one of her nails on camera because just to save time and everything. And I'm using a Models 1 color that I bought. It's like a pack of 28, and they're mini sizes, and it's a really good value for what they are. Now here I'm looking at the transfers, the foil transfers that I got on Amazon again, and I got the ones in white. It's a lace kind of pattern, and I just put that as an accent for the nail. And all I did was I used 2 coats of the nail polish. I cured in between for about 30 seconds. And now I'm using the Marquee, I believe the name of the brand is. And first you have to put the glue on. You have to cure that for about 60 seconds. And then you take the nail foil and you place it on the finger and you rub it in with your finger or with a little silicone press tool that they have, and you just rub it on, it transfers on, you just peel it off, and then you top coat it with a gel top coat. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button.